new one, is it?
It's near B flat.
That sounds about right.
B flat flat.
Is it? I am a year-old kid. I'm worth scarcely 20 quid. I'm the kind of beast you might well look down on, and my value will increase at the time of my decease. For when I grow up, I want to be a Bodhran. Well, if you kill me for me meat, you won't find me very sweet, and on your palate I'm afraid I'll soon turn sour on. Oh, but if you do me in, for the sake of my thick skin, you will make a very tasty little Bodhran. Well, my parents, Bill and Nan, they do not approve this plan to become a yaw for every yacht to pound on. But I would sooner scamper with a bang than with a whimper and achieve reincarnation as a Bodhran. I look forward to the day when I lay off eating hay and become a drum to entertain the crowd on. And I make my presence felt with each well-delivered belt as a fully qualified and licensed Bodhran. For a hornpipe or a reel, a dead donkey has no feel, or a horse or cow or sheep that has its shroud on, and you can't join in a jig as a former grade-A pig, but you can wallop out a lot if you're a Bodhran. Well, my heart with joy expands when I think of far-off lands, and considers all the streets that I will sound on, and I pity my poor ma, who will never see a flag, or indulge in foreign travel as a Bodhran. And if you're ever feeling low, to a session you should go. Well, take me there to exercise an hour on, and you can strike a mighty thump on my belly, back or rump. But I thank you all to wait till I'm a Bodhran. And when I dedicate my hide, I'll enhance my family's pride, because tradition is a thing I won't fall down on, and I'll bear a few young bucks who'll inherit my good looks and be proud to know that our one was a Bodhran. Now I think you've heard enough of this rubbishy old guff, so I'll put to sun an end to why we Bodhran, and mice in my bloody bleed will become a steady beat as I start my new existence as a Bodhran. Yeah.